Welcome to the tutorial on how to install the PowerSeller software. The setup process will take about 5 minutes. The first step is to open the email that you received. In this email, it will have the link to download and install Dolphin PowerSeller for VoIP. Open the email now. Here's the link to download and install the Dolphin. Click the link and it will open your default internet browser. Click on the link PowerSeller Install here. This will open a small window. Click Save File. At the top of the window, where it says Save In, select Local Disk C. Now hit the Save button down in the lower right-hand corner. The file is very small. Once the file is saved, close your internet browser. Now open My Computer and go to Local Disk C. Now search for the PowerSeller install file that you just downloaded. Here's the file. Double-click the file to start the install. Click Run. Now click Next. To use the Dolphin, you must agree to the Buyer, User, Liability, and Responsibility Return Policy. Once you have accepted it, click Next. Select the option to create a desktop icon, then click Next. Now click the Install button in the lower right corner. Once the file is loaded, click Finish. Enter your customer number here, starting with VP. For this demonstration, I'm going to use all zeros. Now click Save. Now plug in the green USB key that you were sent. When you connect it, you will get a Found New Hardware wizard pop up. Click on it and let Windows find the proper file to install. When it's done, it will disappear. On the main menu, click the Power Dialer button to enter the rest of your setup information. Now pull up the email that you received. Enter your display name off of the email in the Display Name field. Enter your username information from the email. Make sure you enter the correct number of zeros. Now enter the password. Enter the outbound proxy and port information. Enter the SIP proxy information. It is not necessary to enter the account phone number. Click the Save Update button here. Now click the Click to Close option here at the top. The next step is to click Connect to VoIP. Once the dialer is connected, Online will display here at the top. You are now ready to start dialing. This concludes the tutorial on how to install the PowerSeller software.